Hey. Candid, cleaning conversations. Everybody gather round, it's a celebration that we're still standing. Big up Katrina, she the inspiration. Came up from the bottom, she here with that motivation. Here to teach and inspire, help you aim higher, help you dream bigger, get what you desire. Real recognize, real iron sharp as iron. Let us grow your cleaning business. She ain't playing around, yeah, the queen mean business. Just stick around, get down with a podcast. Hold it down, here we go, foot on the gas. Candid, cleaning conversation.
Hey everybody. All right, so we got another video for you guys. And on today's video, we are going to be talking about one word that keeps most business owners like stagnant. And that word is worry. That's right, you guys. Worry. Right? Now, I don't know. I'm just going to talk more in depth about it, because knowing certain things helped me out in my business. I had to realize that worrying, it actually takes a certain amount of energy to worry, right? And then what's the use of you using your whole day sobbing and worrying about losing a client, or employee, you and another employee, you might have mouthed off at you, or employee broke something and now you got an insurance claim, whatever you may be in worry about. It takes energy to worry, right? And it doesn't feel good. And it also makes you operate at a low level, a low vibration, when you worry, So I came to the realization when I find myself worrying, that's why people say meditate. You hear this all the time on YouTube videos and you be like, oh no, not another mindset. Oh, she about to talk about meditation. Oh Lord, workout. Oh Lord. But it really is. So that's why meditation is so powerful, right? Because it takes you out of the worry. It's supposed to. You ever had like a balled up, like this feeling in your chest of depression, of worry, of sorrow? Sometimes you just need to take a deep breath. And that feeling kind of calms you down a little bit. That's why they say take a deep breath, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, okay? Because it's to get your body back to a normal state, right? So it's very important. It's very, very, very important if you find yourself in worry to get yourself up out of it, to meditate, to get out of that state of mind of worrying about whatever the hell you worried about. Because worrying is not going to fix it, you guys.
It's not, y'all. Like, I hope, this is a great topic. I really like this because you shouldn't worry. If you got faith, you guys, you should not be worrying. I hope everybody is doing okay and they're having a great day. But if you're not, you guys, please understand that you woke up this morning, right? It's a whole lot of people that didn't wake up. It's a whole lot of people that been diagnosed and with cancer or any type of disease or anything. Just know that you should not worry. You should give everything to God. I don't care how the situation looks. You should always remain like in your faith. Never let anything get in your way. Like, I don't care if it looks like the business ain't working. Okay, now we have to look at why the business is not working. We got to take a look and see how we operate in the business. Are we looking at our finances correctly? Are we, dealing with past trauma so where we can't trust the people out here? Are we training the people right if we have employees? Are we setting up the people for success if they're independent contractors? Like, it's a lot. Are we documenting the stuff that we need to?
Did you onboard the clients correctly?
Right.
Just wing it, just start cleaning the account.
Right.
Like it's a lot of, when we say don't worry, we're not saying say F them bills, or Miss Johnson, Tamika said, don't worry about it, so I ain't gonna worry. That's not this type of conversation.
Right.
Okay? Because you still gotta pay your bills. You still gotta do all the things. So when we say try not to like worry, we're not saying forget about it. That doesn't mean forget about it. That means get yourself back in a better state so that you can fix it. You can't fix stuff when you're in worry.
Right.
When you're worrying. You know, it can put you in depression mode. You know, so as a business owner, what helped me out was meditation. And whenever we go through those hard times, if I find myself drifting off and thinking about, you know, worrying about something that I totally cannot fix at this moment, right? If you ain't got it, you ain't got it. Okay? If the client ain't paid you yet, they ain't paid you yet.
That's right.
Okay? You do all the things that you need to do. You give it 100%. If I know I'm giving it 100%, I ain't gonna worry about it. That's it. I gave it 100%. I'm gonna wake up tomorrow and I'm gonna give it another 100%. Then I'm gonna wake up the next day and I'm gonna give it another 100%. But me sitting here in sorrow and in worry is slowing down the process. You got to get yourself back in a good state so that you can fix that process.
I totally agree, y'all. Like, what will be. And whatever the situation is, it's not going to change because you're in worry. Worrying only distracts your mindset of how to create a solution to the problem.
Yeah.
Just understand that what you're going through are just symptoms to the root problem. So if there's symptoms, you can actually fix those symptoms by just being able to be aware of what's going on so you can create a solution for it. But you can't create a solution if you're constantly in worry. Think about the people that you're around, right? If you're around some people who are negative, they're thinking negative, they saying, oh, child. Listen to what they're talking about. Listen to people's conversation. If they around
people close to you, too. That makes it hard for them.
Yeah.
When it's people close, like your spouse, like your siblings or whatever that are close to you and toxic, you have to get from those people, you know, because that takes you down.
That's right.
You know, all of these things contribute in you sitting down worrying and not doing nothing to fix your company.
Yes.
You know, everything plays a part of it. So if you're attached to anybody and they are arguing, if they're being toxic or any type of things to alter your energy for the day, you have to let it go. You have to distance yourself. Okay? You got to distance yourself from all that foolishness and put that positive energy into you so that you can do the things you need to do for your company.
I totally agree, you guys. Like, you gotta be able to use your discernment. Understand that if people want to be negative, and things happen in life, right? Everything is not gonna be the way that it's supposed to be, right? We watch these movies and we think that life is supposed to be like the movies, like it's supposed to be a happily ever after, right? That we're supposed to just magically have everything that we want, but that wouldn't make our journey a testimony, right? It wouldn't. So you have to understand that you gotta go through these trials and tribulations so that you could go and tell somebody else how to come through it, right? It don't matter who's around you, whether they're toxic. And another thing, you guys, like, when people come around and they're doing different things, and you have clients that come in and you don't know what your clients are dealing with. You don't know what your workers are dealing with. Everybody is always dealing with something. You just have to always remain with your light, because it's easy to get distracted and your light can get burnt out if you're constantly trying to fix things, you know, or worrying because you can't fix it. So sometimes you might have to have that epiphany. And when you got an epiphany, like, you know what, I've done everything I can do and I can't do anything else. Guess what? You have no choice but to rely on God, because He done did everything. You have to. Give him a chance to step in and help you. He's not going to come in when you expect him to. You got to have faith because he's going to come in when he needs to. You need to believe in him, right? You need to. I cannot stress it enough, like, you're not worried, y'all.
You definitely believe in God, but y'all got to understand that nobody else is going to come down here to save you.
Nobody.
Nobody's going to come and save your big grown behind, okay? See, that boy just fall out like it just bust his ass over there. But nobody is coming to save you, right? Nobody. Nobody's coming to save your business. Nobody's going to Instagram you and say, hey, I want to invest $100K into your company. I feel like you are great, girl. Like, that don't happen.
That's right.
It just do not happen, right? It's like people believing in the lottery and stuff like that. Like, a miracle like that is not going to happen. Y'all are growing the company from the ground up, from the LLC. So it's going to be hard. It's going to be tough. It's supposed to be. Matter of fact, it ain't supposed to be no easy ride. It's supposed to be hard, right? Say it to yourself. It's supposed to be hard. Every time something hard happens in your life, say, you know what? It's supposed to be like this. It's supposed to be hard. Because whenever you go through the challenges, it's teaching you a lesson. That's all a challenge is, a lesson. That's it.
Yeah.
Every time we go through challenges in our company, I always look at it like that. I say, you know what? What can I learn from this? How can I improve these areas? How can I not do this again? How can I not do that again? You know, it's always you take those challenges and you learn from them.
Absolutely.
All the time. But just know nobody's coming down here to save your ass. Nobody's coming to save you. You gotta fix it yourself. And it's hard to do it when it's just you. If you're one of those people and it's just you in the company, oh baby, it's even 10 times harder when you just by yourself. Because you are battling your own thoughts. And then a lot of times you be telling yourself a whole bunch of stuff that's not true.
That's right.
Because you keep talking to yourself. You need to talk to somebody that's already been through all of this that can say, hey girl, no, that you're overthinking.
Mm-hmm.
You're self-sabotage. You know?
And you don't want to do that, guys. So that takes me back to what I was just saying today. I actually wrote inside, like, my vibe of the day today was, please understand anything that you go through in life, whether it's good, whether it's bad, understand that it is a lesson.
Hey, you guys. All right. So a lot of you guys have been reaching out, asking me, when are you going to have your next live workshop, in-person workshop? Okay. So we have a date for you. This year, June 22nd at 12 o'clock, Savannah, Georgia. Be in the building, okay? Click the link down below if you want to join us at our Cleaning Business Masterclass workshop. You will need your laptop because we are going to be taking action. We have some things that you're going to be doing, implementing in real time. So when you leave this workshop, you will have some small wins, okay? It's $197 if you're not already a student. If you are a student, it's only $97. But click the link if you're interested in meeting me in person and coming to our live workshop. Don't pay attention to all the Christmas decorations. I just ain't took them down yet. I've been busy, okay? But make sure you click the link in my bio. I got a link somewhere down here, and register today. It's only 40 seats, okay? It's going to be a private mastermind. Only 40 seats. Click the link in bio, and I'll see you guys June 22nd. Bye-bye.
It is not a life sentence, okay? Because it is only temporary of what you're going through, okay? You have to not keep yourself in the victim mentality. Make yourself the victor. Because you want to bring as many people along as you can if they understand and they have the right mindset. So saying all of that, it's just, you guys, stop worrying so much. Trust the process and understand that it's supposed to happen. Whenever it's happening right now, it's supposed to.
Right. You know, worry with with positivity. You know, replace that worry with good energy, and watch what happens.
Absolutely.
And remember, I ain't saying just forget about your bills and forget about whatever it is you're worrying about right now.
So ain't nothing else talking about you need money. I'm like being and stuff.
It takes a lot of energy to worry.
Right.
It does, right? And you need that good energy to fix the problem.
That's right.
That's what I'm saying.
That's right.
You need the energy to fix the problem. So stop worrying about it.
Hey, listen, it's 5 things your cleaning business cannot live without. 1, you need clients. You need a system that automatically attracts clients. 2, you need workers. You need some staff. You need to learn the power of delegation. You can't do everything by yourself. Number 3, I know you hear this all the time. You need a proven system. Yes, girl. You're gonna need a system. You can't do nothing without a proven system. Number 4, you need to know your numbers. And most importantly, number 5, you can't do nothing without the tenacity. That's right. You need the willpower. You need to get up off your ass and get some work done, okay? And one thing about us, we can help you do that here at Tenacity Academy, okay? We have a proven system where we can help our students start, grow, scale profitable cleaning companies. If you want to know more about that, go to www.tenacityaacademy.com and book your discovery call, okay? I'll see y'all on the other side. I got to get back to this money. Peace.